Morning students. Student, I am Abhishek Soni from Adarsh Vidya Mandir Shankar Vidyapeeth, Mount Abu, Rajasthan. The previous chapter was very interesting and was a message conveying chapter. Okay, now we are starting one more chapter. The new chapter that named is Little Girl. First we will discuss something about the author and the basic, as usual we do, the basic information about the chapter. Author is Catherine Mansfield. Catherine Mansfield is a girl. Catherine Mansfield is a girl. 14 October 1988. She was born on 14th October 1988, and she was the prominent short story writer. Prominent short story writer means she maximum time she wrote short stories only. That's why prominent and in a consistent way. Okay. Theme of the story. What the stories want to convey the message, like children have natural attachment with their parents. You understand? Children have a natural attachment with their parents. Means they, for everything they depends on parents. They love their parents. So naturally they attach heart to heart connection with their parents. They always desire to receive their love and affection. Always children have one desire that they should get the love and affection, love and that attachment from their parents' end. The rude behavior of parents only develop a deep sense of separation among the children. The rude behavior means whenever the parents got angry and they behave rudely in front of their children, then it only creates a deep sense of separation among the children. Means that deep sense of separation means that our parents don't love the children. They always shout on them. So these kind of messages that sets up in the mind of the children, they always feel that they are separate and we are separate. Okay. However, even if our parents are rude, they still have only one desire. But in normally it happens. Rude behavior shown by the parents is very much common in everyone's life. But in spite of showing the rude behavior, every single parent have one desire, that they want to make their children happy and successful. Okay, so that was the theme of the story. Means the chapter wants to specify that children and parents have a special kind of connection, heartedly attachment between children and parents. So if they show the rude behavior, it doesn't mean that we are separate and they are separate. Means parents and children are separate. No, it isn't like that. When a child will be wrong, the parents will have full right to get angry and to explain them what to do, how to correct the particular mistake, everything. It happens. It's in a normal life. It happens. But it doesn't mean that we will create a sense of separation among the children and the parents. Okay, parents always want their children to be happy and to be a successful person in their life. Same as here, it's a short story. The short story, and I have summarized it. A girl named Kezia. Actually, this story, Catherine Mansfield wrote this story based on her means the author's young life. This story is based on the young life of Catherine Mansfield. Means how she was treated and what was her thinking, everything like that. So Catherine Mansfield wrote this story, and this is the young age of the Catherine. So the name is Kezia. Actually, see, based on young life of Catherine Mansfield. This story is based on young life of Catherine Mansfield, means the author. Kezia is a little girl and the main character of the story. Okay, Kezia is the main character of the story. Her father is a very successful businessman. But for the little girl, he is a figure to be feared and avoided. See, Kezia was a little girl and the main character of the story. In spite of her father being a successful businessman, the father's face for Kezia, for the little girl, is a figure to be feared and avoided. Means she always has taken her father's face as a figure of fear. Means who always make her scared, and she wants to ignore her father, avoid her father. So just a figure to be feared and avoided. Every morning before going to the job, he gives a casual kiss to the little girl. So before this, a question can arise from here. Before going to job, every morning the father used to give a casual kiss to her daughter Kezia, and how the girl responds? The girl responds with goodbye father. Okay, just the main character in the initial stage, short summarized part we have did. Now how Kezia and her father lived together, and what actually was her childhood and throughout the life she faced, that we will discuss in the next class. Okay.